I'm working on here today is a General Electric dryer. I'm going to test the start switch because it's intermittent. You can touch it and sometimes it'll start and then other times it won't. Before you do any servicing, ensure that your machine is unplugged. With the machine unplugged, we're going to go and remove these 6 screws on the back panel. These 6 screws removed, this back cover will come off. On this one you can tilt it forward and then slide it over, and that'll give us better access to our switch here. What I have here is a meter and I'm going to put it on continuity. When there's continuity, it'll beep. So now I'll go and touch that to our switch here and then push the button on the front side. Okay, there's a little crackling on there. The switch is still working, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it. So what you need to do, disconnect your wiring from there. Just note which ones go where. And then there's this tab here. You pull this tab up and rotate it counterclockwise. Although there's 2 different styles of this switch here, they both come out the same. You lightly pick up on this tab here, rotate it counterclockwise, and then you can pull it out. Some of them, the push button always stays in this unit. Inside the dryer door will be your model number. You'll need that for purchasing your new part. Just going to reinstall this part until our new one comes. So you can see there is a little bit of arcing on the clear plastic there, and the contacts there look a little dark. So I'm going to go ahead and order one, but I'll install this one until the new one comes. To reinstall our switch, we'll put this tab at the 12 o'clock position, put it in there, rotate it around until it snaps in. Now we can go and reattach our wires here. If you have the detachable push button on there, just go ahead and reinstall that. Just line up your half moon there. So we'll just line our tabs up, slide this over, and now we can put our back cover on. Now with all those screws in, we're all done.